Have you ever written code that works perfectly when you test it, but then in production everything breaks? That happened to me once, and the problem was Singleton, one object shared everywhere. Sounds simple, right? But it can go very wrong. In this video, I'll show you what the Singleton Design Pattern is, how to write it in Java, and the good and bad things about using it. We'll also look at real examples, and at the end I'll tell you when to use it and when to avoid it. Okay, let's start simple. The Singleton Design Pattern means only one object of class can exist, and we can use that same object everywhere in the app. It's like a president of a country. You don't want two presidents at the same time. Only one leader, same thing with the object. Okay guys, so let's start. So this logger class uses the Singleton Design Pattern to make sure only one logger object is created in the whole program. It has a private constructor so no one can create it from outside, and a static method getInstance to return the same object every time. The logger method just prints the message. This is useful when you want one shared logger across the entire app. But there is a problem. This code is not safe for multi-threaded apps. Two threads could call getInstance at the same time and create two objects, which is not good. To solve this problem, we added synchronize to make it safe for multi-threaded apps. Only one thread can enter this method at a time, but it can be a bit slow. So what's demonstrated here is a better way to write Singleton. It's fast and safe. The logger holder class only loads when we call getInstance, so it is lazy and thread safe without using synchronize. Here we test the Singleton. We create two logger objects, but they both point at the same one. That's how we know the Singleton is working. Now the pros and cons of having Singleton. The pros: you can share one object easily like a logger or a config. You save memory. You don't need to create the same thing again and again. It's good for managing things like database connections. Drawbacks: it hides dependencies. Other classes just call the Singleton without you knowing. It makes unit testing harder. It can be dangerous if you use it for things that change a lot. So when do you use Singleton? You use Singleton when you need only one object, like a config, logger, or something that doesn't change, but you don't use it for objects that change a lot, or if you want to write clean tests. So what do you guys think? Have you ever used Singleton before? Did it help or cause problems? Let me know down in the comment section. I would love to hear your story. Also, which design pattern should I talk about next? Factory, observer, something else? Drop your idea below. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping developers like you understand complex things in a simple way. Thank you for watching, and remember, code smarter, test well, and don't let your Singleton become a monster. Peace.